Hey Grill Masters, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're firing up the top 5 portable gas grills of 2025. Whether you're tailgating, camping, or just grilling in your backyard, these portable gas grills are perfect for on-the-go cooking with serious heat and flavor. We'll break down the best models, looking at portability, heat control, build quality, and of course, grilling performance. Be sure to check the product links in the description below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more grilling gear reviews. Let's get cooking. Starting at number 5, the Cuisinart Professional Gas Grill offers the perfect balance of power and portability. With two 10,000 BTU stainless steel burners, it delivers consistent heat for grilling everything from steaks to veggies. Weighing only 24 pounds, it's lightweight and compact, yet provides a large cooking surface with stainless grates that ensure even cooking. The grill is easy to set up in just minutes, thanks to its no-tools-needed design. Its twist-start ignition and built-in thermometer provide easy control over the heat, making outdoor cooking hassle-free. For those seeking a portable grill with pro-level performance, the Cuisinart is a fantastic option. Number 4, the Tabletop Portable Gas Grill packs power in a compact design. With two 24,000 BTU burners, it heats up fast, making it ideal for grilling large cuts of meat like steaks and ribs. Its built-in thermometer ensures precise temperature control, while the stainless steel baffles provide even heating for perfect results. Lightweight and portable, this grill is easy to transport and store, yet offers a spacious 240 square inches of cooking space. With easy assembly and features like porcelain enameled cast iron grates for better heat retention, it's perfect for family gatherings or on-the-go grilling. At number 3, Resistland Camping Multi-Gas Grill. Versatility meets portability with the Resistland Camping Multi-Gas Grill. Whether you're grilling, frying, steaming, or even cooking hot pot, this compact grill does it all. With a powerful stainless steel burner and adjustable flame, you get fast, even cooking for any outdoor adventure. Designed for safety, it features a gas leak prevention system and a pressure-sensing shutoff device. Its lightweight construction and included carry case make it easy to transport, while the removable drip tray simplifies cleanup. Whether you're at a campsite or in your backyard, the Resistland Camping Grill is the ultimate all-in-one cooking companion. At number 2, Weber Traveler Portable Gas Grill. The Weber Traveler Portable Gas Grill is ideal for grillers on the go. With a large cooking space that fits up to 15 burgers or 20 sausages, it ensures everyone gets to eat at the same time. Its compact design folds down effortlessly for easy transport and storage, making it perfect for tailgating, camping, or road trips. The high to low temperature range lets you sear steaks or grill fluffy pancakes with ease. Plus, the attached all-terrain cart allows for quick one-handed setup. For grillers looking for portability without compromising performance, the Weber Traveler is a top choice. At number 1, Resistland Portable BBQ Gas Grill. Looking for a portable grill that delivers big results? The Resistland Portable BBQ Gas Grill is perfect for outdoor adventures, from camping trips to beach parties. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this grill is built to withstand the elements while remaining lightweight and easy to transport. Its powerful burners provide intense heat, ensuring that your steaks, burgers, and veggies are grilled to perfection every time. With an easy-to-use ignition system and adjustable heat settings, controlling the temperature is a breeze. Plus, cleanup is simple thanks to the removable cooking grates. For outdoor enthusiasts looking for a reliable portable grill, Resistland delivers on performance and convenience. Thanks for tuning in to JM Express. We hope you enjoyed our latest review and found it helpful in making informed decisions about the products you're interested in.